Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: an audio interface with a dedicated instrument input and a reliable USB or Thunderbolt cable. Plug your guitar into the instrument jack, then connect the interface to your Mac. Power it on, lower headphone volume, and launch Logic. Immediately create a new audio track and choose the interface input. Enable input monitoring so you hear the string attack. This gets signal into Logic fast. Once done, you'll be ready to shape tone and record clean takes. Now focus on signal quality and tone. First, play and adjust the input gain so peaks sit around -6 to -12 dB. This prevents clipping while preserving dynamics. Next, insert an amp simulator or impulse response loader on the track. Pick a preset that matches your target sound and tweak drive, tone, and presence. After that, add an equalizer and a light compressor following the amp plugin to control dynamics and remove muddiness. Make sure to monitor at realistic volume levels. When you're satisfied, arm the track and enable the metronome if you need timing. Record multiple takes so you can comp the best parts later with Logic's quick swipe or take folders. For latency, set your audio buffer to 64 or 128 samples while tracking. You can raise it during mixing for CPU headroom. If you hit silence, stop and verify input routing, interface power, drivers, and cables, and confirm input monitoring is on. Fixing those usually restores signal instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.